Hi everybody, this is the Early Medieval Embroidery monthly update. So we're getting to the end of March and this month has been really exciting actually. I know I say that a lot, but it's true. Hopefully most of you will know about and will have joined me for the stitching. We started the stitching on the Bayeux Tapestry recreation project. That was really cool because we've had such a lot of prep. To actually get to the sewing stage is fantastic. So if you haven't seen those videos, check them out. And I really appreciate that people have been sending in their comments and their questions, and I'm trying to answer those both in the comments box but also during the videos. So bear with me on that because that's learning process for me as well in order to remember everything. If I missed a couple of comments and things, I'm sorry. I assume I'm answering them all, but I may have missed a couple and that's purely by accident, so I apologise about that. And those of you who do any form of textile work and have given suggestions for helping smooth the process along, you will hopefully have noticed that in the last video or so I've started to experiment with those suggestions, so thank you very much. Also, I can't actually believe so many people are now watching the video, that it's drawn that many people in, so thank you, that's amazing. I really appreciate that. So in other work, yes, I have been doing other work as well. I've obviously been doing my university work so many days per week. That's been carrying on as normal. I'm looking up leather at the moment. So a little bit different to textiles and embroidery, but still it's turning out to be quite interesting. And I had a day trip up to Glasgow for some meetings and things. So, the weather was lovely up there. So it was really nice to get out and to see everybody for those meetings. I've also been working on some stuff for some archaeology units. So that's ongoing. That's more analysis. I'll be writing that up in the future. And I've been thinking about new projects and things. Kits, which I'm working on, and I know I mentioned that last time. I'm still continuing to work on those kits as well. A number of people have been contacting me asking about workshops and kits. I do workshops, but up till now I've done them through different institutions or groups, and at the moment I'm actually exploring setting them up independently. So they will be online to start with, and I'll keep you posted on that front. Obviously, I've also produced kits. I've not mentioned those recently because I've had to start restocking the materials for that. And as I'm sure you're aware, because the fabrics, needles and threads are all handmade and dyed using natural dyes and things like that, it takes a long time for me to put the order in and then for them to come here. And when those are all ready, I will let you know. They will be available through my online shop. Actually, what I'll do is, when all the different parts are ready, I'll do little shorts that I can put up on YouTube. So if you're interested in different aspects of that, you'll know when they become available. So I think that's it really. It has been a busy month. It just doesn't sound it when you're talking about it. Anyway, so in the meantime, have a lovely April, and I'm going to try and get videos out a bit more regularly. So hopefully you'll see me a few times between now and the next monthly update. But see you then.